Today we are here to guide you on how to unbox, assemble and install the KUHL Exzel H2, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Operating on just 60 watts of power compared to traditional 80-watt fans, it not only provides powerful airflow but also ensures energy efficiency. Use a sharp object like a knife, cutter or scissors to open the box. Here are the contents of the box. Base, 2 support tubes, fan blade, rear and front guards with plastic ring, water unit, motor cum panel unit. Now let's move on to the assembly process. Please make sure to keep screwdriver within reach. Take the support tube and remove the screw underneath. Insert the removed screw into the bottom of the base and screw in the support tube from the top of the base. Repeat with the second tube. Take the motor cum panel assembly and loosen the 2 knobs at the back of the panel. Insert the panel into the support tubes and tighten back the knobs at the back of the panel. From the motor assembly, unscrew the blade nut by turning it clockwise and the rear guard nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Assemble the rear guard onto the motor assembly. There are 3 pins on the motor and 3 holes on the guard. Insert the holes into the pins, then tighten with the guard nut. Assemble the blade onto the motor shaft. Ensure that the slots in the blade hub insert onto the pin on the motor shaft. Finally, retighten the blade nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Fill the water tank with cold, clean water, ensuring not to overfill it. Use mineral water or RO water to prevent mist holes in the fan from getting clogged. Place the water tank onto the base of the water unit and place the assembly on the fan base. Insert the lower end of hose pipe from the panel unit into the top of the water tank. Insert the top end of the hose pipe into the opening provided at the front of the front guard. Take the cable from the water unit and insert its plug into the socket provided at the rear of the panel unit. The fan can be controlled either via the panel or the remote. Adjust the fan speed and mode using the corresponding buttons. Swing the fan by pressing the swing button on the panel or the remote. Use the mist button to switch the ultrasonic mist on or off. And adjust the mist volume by rotating the knob provided on the base of the water unit. The timer button, which is an off timer only, allows you to switch off the fan after a specific duration. 3 modes are provided: normal mode for usual operation, natural mode to run the fan at intermittently slow and fast speeds, imitating natural gusts of wind, and sleep mode for gradually reducing fan speed, useful for warmer evenings transitioning to cooler nights. Thank you for choosing KUHL stylish fans. We hope you enjoy the comfort and style they bring to your space.